What's up, everybody? It's Bill Lee McCluskey with Mitech Partners. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. In this video, we're going to show you guys how to utilize the back office tool and all of the elements that will help you to stay organized, track your orders, track your commissions, set follow-up calls, and make money. First thing you want to do is go to the URL, which is mitechbiz.com. This is going to take you to partnerbackoffice.com as well. You just log in here with your login. If you do not have a login, you need to get in touch with your team coordinator because your team coordinator should have supplied that to you. If you're pretty new, you just need to email them, or you can email admin@mitechopportunity.com. So make sure you get that. Once you log in, it's going to take you to your home page. And what we're going to talk about here is just some basic things. First thing we're going to talk about is creating a new customer. This could be a new lead or new prospect, somebody that you want to stay in touch with and stay organized with. You just fill out this particular form here. So company name, we're going to make up a name here, Mitech Hotel. Lead gen agent ID, you can leave that blank. Customer notes, obviously you can put notes in here. So let's say we got 200 rooms. Customer now has XO fiber internet, 100 by 100, and let's say their contract ends in 3 months, right? So we need to jump on that opportunity. Contact name is Jack Jones. Again, I'm making this up, y'all. Email is jj@mitechhotel.com. As you can see, I've done this before. We're going to make up a phone number for Jack Jones. Now, I'm actually going to put in a real address because the system checks to verify the address, number one, but when we're searching for carriers and serviceability, we need to have the correct address there for that. Address line 2 is for suite number or unit number. So we don't have that since this is a hotel. And let's say this is in Nashville, Tennessee, United States, of course. Zip 37210. Again, this is a real address because I want to show true serviceability for any quotations. And we're going to put the phone number in again. Location BTN, by the way, stands for location billing telephone number. So the number, the main phone number at the location for the customer. Okay. And we're going to hit create new record. Now, the information pops up and we just want to verify the information to make sure it's correct. And then we're going to hit add new customer. So immediately, almost, a customer information page is created. And here we have a lot of tools and a lot of things we can do on this page. And I'm going to run through this right quick. Since this is a video, of course, you can pull it back up and watch it as many times as you wish. Okay. I'm going to start here on the right, kind of in the middle, but on the right side of the customer information page. Up top, we have quick change. This is how you identify the status of this particular lead or customer or potential customer. Once you have put it in, you can mark it as accepted. And let's hit the drop down here. You can mark it as attempted contact, contacted, sent proposal, and so forth. Okay, activated once it's been installed or canceled. Residential, junk. Okay, but over here it's going to, once you identify or clarify which status it should be in, it's going to put it in your funnel over here to see. As you can see, this is an example back office login. So we've got a ton in the inbox that we haven't even put as accepted. But if this was you, if you put it in and you contacted this person, you would put it in attempted contact, for example. All right. Now, obviously, there's a link here if you need help or assistance with the back office or a quote. You can just click here and somebody will get in touch with you right away. This is the address that we put in, location information. As you can see, the U.S. Postal Service has verified this as a true address. Okay. If the address was not a real address, So if I just made up an address, then this would say incorrect address in red. Okay, so this is pretty key. Let's say this particular company has several locations. We would not have to create a different account for each location. We could add different locations within this same customer information page. How would we do that? Well, we just come here and click add one or add bulk if we were adding multiple. So let's just say they got 2 locations. And I'm going to put the other address here. So I'm going to put 1234 Shred Lane. As you can see, I've already done this. And then description, I'm going to put second location, smaller office. Okay, add location. Now on the customer information page, if we scroll down here, it shows the second location here, address verified. Okay, if we need to edit it, we can just click edit here. If we need to delete it, we can click delete. Pretty simple. All right, now you have your fiber map here, and this is going to show you which carriers have active fiber near the location, and your service map as well. But we're going to kind of cover that in a different video. Quote history, how to create an immediate proposal, how to get a Comcast business quote instantaneously, paperwork and all, for the customer to sign. That's in a different video. But let me just review what we can do here. We can quote data, obviously, voice, data and voice together, MPLS. We can quote network services like securities, firewall, and managed services, and then point-to-point or private line quote. So that's what we can quote here, and most of those things we can do instantaneously. So let's scroll down a little bit, and again, another video covers how to find out or generate those quotes right away. If you Google search instant quote under Mitech on YouTube, you should be able to find that. Multi carrier scan, never use this, so don't worry about it. Proposals, once you create proposals up here, you can attach them to the customer file here. So you would create a proposal and go forth from there. Now, we're not going to go over creating a proposal because, again, that's in another video. Customer contacts, you can edit that if you wanted to. So let's say we got the phone number wrong, or I don't know, the address wrong, or email, we could go in here and change it. If we wanted to add a contact, we could click add and then add it there. Order information is how you submit an order. So this would be something we click if we were going to submit an order. We would simply fill out the information here and hit add new order. Okay. Email templates, you can email from your back office. So you can create templates here. If you want to do that, just click add and create your own template to save. If you email customers or prospects, kind of the same thing initially. And your sent emails will show here, outgoing emails. All right, so let's look at the left side of the customer information page. And at the top, we have customer information up here. One of the most important tools on this page to me is tasks for the customer. And this is where you set your follow-up. So if you spoke to this customer, for example, and they said, hey, listen, I'm running out of the office right now, but I really need to talk to you. Can you call me Monday at 1 o'clock? Well, yeah, you could set an appointment in Outlook, or you could come over here and say, hey, this guy's hot. He said he wanted to talk to me, so I'm going to set it on high priority. I'm going to set this one up for next Monday. And he said call him at 1 o'clock. So I'm going to put 1 o'clock in here. And he's on Eastern time zone, so I'm going to make that Eastern. And I'm going to say, look, Jack said call him at 1 p.m. He's hot. Wants to save money, but also said, of course I can spell very well, said he's willing to pay extra for a great service. How about that? All right. Just kind of reminds us of what Jack has going on. Jack has XO, fiber, and VoIP with Ring Central. We add a task there, And now if we look under tasks for customers, it shows due on January the 2nd, high priority. Here's our notes. And if we need to edit or add anything to it, we just click edit and we can add something to it. Once we call Jack back and have that conversation, we click done. So the task shows done. While I'm talking to Jack on Monday, I can take notes throughout this whole conversation. Not on a notepad, but right here in the customer form. I can say Jack is ready to go. Sending paperwork ASAP. He said follow up with his IT guy. Okay. Again, this is just for example's sake, guys, but obviously having notes here and being able to reference these notes, weeks, months, or years later really helps you. If we have to follow up with Jack, we can say, hey, listen, on December 27th, we spoke to you and we were sending over the paperwork. You wanted me to get with your IT guy, so forth and so on, right? Private agent notes, you won't have to worry about that because you will be the only one that has access to your back office here. Attached documents. This is where you will attach documents that, as it says, do not pertain to the order. So this may be a previous contract that the customer sent you, just so you can review it and do an audit there. This may be, I don't know, notes, a copy of a bill, a copy of a previous carrier's bill or something like that. Maybe a document or a letter they got in the mail from their carrier that you just want to attach to this account and reference if necessary. It's really key because you don't have to save it on your computer and you don't have to search for it in a folder that you forgot the name of and all that good stuff. You can keep it right here. And then, guys, we've got customer history and commission history. So this is, well, as this particular lead becomes a customer and you start receiving recurring or residual income on it, you'll be able to track and see what those commission payments were. LPS reasoning, I have no idea what that is. So don't worry about it. Now, on the far right is your active funnel. As you identify the status of each lead, it's going to send your lead to the particular funnel status. So let's say we accepted this lead, but let's say we spoke to him and we sent him a proposal. So we click send proposal, hit go, and now this particular lead shows up under send proposal. So let's say one day I sit down and for an hour I'm going to call everybody I sent a proposal to. Well, I could just open up my back office, hit send proposals, and everybody that I sent a proposal to is going to show up here and I can start calling. If I need to open up the customer information page and view the notes, I can just click it, view my notes here, and have that conversation with the customer. Okay. You can also export all of these leads into an Excel file if you need to. And today's tasks are showing up. Some of them are past due, right? Again, these are just examples that we're showing here for you. So hopefully this was very helpful. Again, in other videos, we will show you how to specifically create different quotes, how to navigate with the fiber map and the service map, and how to create proposals for multiple carriers on one page. So very effective tools that can help you not only stay organized, but look super professional and like you're on top of it. Hey guys, again, I hope this was helpful. If you got any questions, please reach out to your team coordinator, or you can email us at admin@mitechopportunity.com. Look forward to it.